Hello butterflies, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you this look that you see right now. I hope you guys enjoyed. I was actually inspired by a makeup artist on Instagram. Her name is Siguenza. So I just wanted to recreate this look right there. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. So I'm starting off with the shadow base. I'm using the NYX shadow base in the color Skin Tone. Then I just went in with a regular powder just to set up the base. I'm going to start with the transition color, so I'm going to use this lighter color and I'm just going to put it in the crease of my eyelid. And just adding more color to intensify the crease. Then I'm going in with the brown color and put it in the crease as well, just to intensify the look. Here I'm taking a black shadow and I'm just going to put it in my crease of my area to intensify the color even more. Then I went in with a smaller brush and took this black color and just put it in my outer corners of the eyes to intensify the look. And here I'm just blending any harsh lines. I went in again with the NYX eyeshadow primer and I just used this to clean my lower lid a little bit so I can add the other color on top of it. And here I took a white color and I just placed it with a small brush all over my lid. I went back in with the black just to intensify the outer corners of the eyes. And here I'm just blending in any harsh lines. Now I'm going to take these two colors and just add it in my inner corners of my eyes. Okay, so for this look, it looks like she has some blue color in her lash line and I do not have a blue liner. So what I did was I used a skin tone liner and then I put it on my waterline and then used the eyeshadow, the blue eyeshadow, to put it in my waterline, and this created the eyeshadow look that is on the picture. So I put the pencil, I just added the blue shadow and then I smudged in the other blue shadow on my lower lash line. Then I added some mascara on my top and bottom lashes and added my false lashes. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like this video if you loved it, comment and subscribe. You can also follow me on my social medias. I will put my name right here so you can follow me. Thanks again for watching and I see you guys in my next video. Bye.